Hey there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Niall O'Riordan. A few months ago I dropped a lesson on a Bob Seger song on piano, old time rock and roll. If you want to have a look at that, check it out up here. I got so much love and so many comments from that video. Thanks for all your comments, by the way, they're really helping the channel to grow. So I've decided to do Bob Seger's biggest ever song on guitar. So, from 1976, let's take a dive into Night Moves.
Very nice.
Now, to do this song in the right key, you need a capo on fret 1. Bob Seger has a beautiful but slightly high voice, so if you don't want to do it in the original key, that's fine, drop the capo. So the chords you'll need are a G. The G Bob uses has a 3rd fret on the B string also, so you can play it like this. I've kind of got slightly chubby fingers, so I can just put my pinky on those 2 treble strings and play it like this. A G7. Then you got an F, which I do this way, so thumb hooked over on the 1st fret, ring finger fretting the 5th and 4th strings on the 3rd fret, middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and 1st finger on the first 2 strings. But you can do it bar chord. I just prefer to do it this way. I find it more comfortable and I can play it for longer durations of time. You need a C. For strumming purposes, I like to fret the 3rd fret on the bass E string as well. C major 7. You need a D and an E minor. And that's all the chords you'll need. So the strumming pattern . That's it. So you do a down, then if you like a muted down, then an up down, then an up down and another muted down, then an up and then you change chords. And then on the next chord you do an up and then back into the start of the rhythm again. So let's try that rhythm nice and slowly. Alright, if you've got that, well done. Now, let's move on into the body of the song and learn this beauty. So at the end of the verse, after the C, instead of going to an F, you do a D, then an E minor. So that goes. Working on a night move, trying to lose those awkward teenage blues. Working on a night move. And you're back into a verse. After the verse and the chorus, you got another verse and a chorus. Now to get into that beautiful bridge, instead of a chorus, you do the D and the E minor, but just stop on the E minor like this. So that was just D, E minor, D, G. You stop on the G, then you stop on a G7 as well. So once more. And then you're into the bridge proper. So before he takes it right down to the slow part of the bridge, there's this beautiful build-up. It's C, G, C, F, D, waiting on the thunder. So it goes. Then you got that sweet little acoustic riff. So that, watch the tabs below, it just goes like this. I woke last night to the sound of thunder. So here you got a G, C major 7, G, C major 7, like this. Then you got E minor, C 3 times, then a C major 7, then a G. Goes. Just still seem to have as much to lose. Then you're into the verse chords again, and it continues to do that around and around to fade. So that is how you play the incredible Night Moves by Bob Seger from 1976. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't be afraid to leave a comment below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel here, watch a similar video up here, or my latest just up here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Niall. Learn a tune a week and build up your chops.